Today we're making some viral vegetarian TikTok recipes. Freaking amazing.
Wow, that's so good.
I'm getting hungry.
Guys, don't forget to
thumb this video. I totally got catfished by this fried chicken recipe. Let's start the new year with a bang. Welcome, Zen, my lovely kitchen assistant. Today we are going healthy mode. At least some of them will be healthy. Maybe not this fried chicken variation, but at least we'll be eating a lot more vegetables. I've got my oyster mushrooms ready to be turned into fried chicken. So let's make the batter. Into my oat milk, I'm going to put apple cider vinegar. Give it a little whisk. That goes to the side. For the dry ingredients, I've got my flour here. I just use all-purpose flour. And then I'm gonna add in some cornstarch, 1 cup, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of paprika, and then a teaspoon of onion and garlic powder. I'm gonna add a bit more garlic, not gonna lie. And some salt. Mix that together. And then I'm gonna add some of the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Give it a mix. Okay, it's starting to look like hers now. I was getting a little bit worried. Now that we have our wet and dry mixture ready, I'm gonna start dipping and coating my mushrooms. I realized that hers are so much bigger than mine. I don't know where she got them from. They're just huge. It actually looks good.
It actually looks like fried chicken, guys. What are we doing today?
Did you just speak to my chest? Because he's not wearing a mic and Alf is so soft-spoken. What does it look like? It's fried chicken, baby. Ooh. It's fried chicken bites. Check out this mini drumstick. How good does that look?
It looks like an ear.
I don't know whose ears you've been looking at, but cheers. Let's dip, 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 dip.
It's actually quite good. Is it just because it's fried?
What it tastes is batter.
It literally just tastes like I'm eating batter because this mushroom is just so thin. It's not like a thick, juicy mushroom, you know what I mean? It's good.
It feels very unhealthy, guys.
But mushroom's healthy.
I wouldn't mind this as a bar snack, but as like a main meal or anything, nah. I need something more substantial. I think this one deserves a 1 thumb from me. What about you, Alf? 1 thumb. Not bad. The batter recipe though is really good, so I feel like you can just tweak whatever you fry in it.
Like calamari rings.
Yes. If you don't like washing up too many dishes, then this 1-pan recipe is for you.
This vegetarian 1-pan orzo bake is an easy and super delicious option for a meatless Monday meal. Start by adding tomatoes, mushrooms, broccolini, onion, rosemary, thyme, and salt to a baking dish. Hit it with some olive oil, work it in, and then into the oven. Get it out of the oven and add orzo and veggie stock. Cover and it goes right back in. Out of the oven once again so you can sprinkle in some grated parm, burst those cherry tomatoes, mix it together, then top of mozzarella and into the oven till it looks like this.
The camera's basically next to my head for us to get this shot, guys. So for the longest time, I thought she was using rice until I discovered that there's actually pasta in the shape of these rice grains. They're also known as risotto number 26. In goes my cherry tomatoes, some mushrooms, broccolini, chopped up onions, rosemary, and then some thyme, then some salt, and she said hit it with some olive oil. Time to work it in. Now I can pop this in the oven for 15 minutes uncovered. Now we're gonna add in our pasta-shaped rice, rice-shaped pasta.
Rice-shaped
Pasta-shaped rice.
Rice-shaped pasta.
Pasta. Wow. That took a lot of brain power.
We're one brain combined.
Zen and I, we're half a brain each, and together,
One.
we're one. Nothing we should be proud of, but let's put this in. Then I'm gonna add in our veggie stock. Mix that around a little bit. Oh my god. Man, I cannot rewrap this. It's alright, it's still good, it's still good. Go back in. Do you reckon that's enough?
It's hot, what am I doing?
It's like first day back on the job. Ah, it's so hot. Please be careful when you wrap this. It is hot. Back in the oven it goes. Time for the reveal. Well, it's actually not done yet, guys, but I just want to see. Ooh. I'm gonna sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. Oops, maybe I should have checked for lumps before. Committed. I'm committed. Let's pop these tomatoes. Tomatoes, tomatoes. Squish, squish. Oh, that's kind of fun. Give it a mix. Oh yeah, okay, definitely needs a mix because some of it's kind of like stuck to the bottom. I'm not gonna hold out on the cheese. We need more cheese. Yeah, we need more cheese. Okay, this is looking more similar to hers now. Ours looked a little bit liquidy, a little bit watery. Top with more cheese. It's mozzarella cheese. Actually, no, I lied. It's a pizza topping cheese, what I had in the fridge. Okay, now we can open a new bag of mozzarella cheese. And now this bake goes in the oven one last time. This looks freaking amazing. Let's give it a mix. I want to see how cheesy it is. Ooh, that cheese. Get a good spoonful of it. Let it cool because I have a feeling this is like a recipe for disaster. Blow up, blow up. Cheers. Cheers.
Wow.
Well, that's good.
That's so good. Ooh. Oh, wow. Can you believe that's just all vegetables? It's so satisfying. It's so hearty. Why don't we do like pasta bakes more often?
This is really good.
This is so good. We just go back for more. Okay, before we have another bite, let's just put our spoons down and rate this. Hands down, it's a double thumbs up from all of us. Yes. Definitely try this out. I hope Lila likes it. I don't know about you, but I've never eaten carrots like this.
Trending vegan carrot balls recipe in China. Pick all the carrot in grandma's garden. Thinly slice with your left hand. Steam for half an hour. Brutally mash it with grandma's spoon. Add cornstarch. Well mix it. Knead dough with your single hand. Shape into multiple small balls. Fully cook in water from Mississippi River. Leave it alone. Ketchup. Soy sauce. Sugar. Black vinegar. Clean water. Stir well. Mix it with hot oil. Cook until bubbling. Add carrot balls. Black sesame seeds. Toss well on high heat. Done and dusted.
What's up, Bugs Bunny? For this recipe, we're gonna need carrots. I'm just gonna do one just to try. I don't wanna make a big batch and commit just in case. I have commitment issues. Now I'm gonna steam them. Carrots have been steamed for 30 minutes and now we're gonna start mashing. Oh, they're not so easy to mash. Oh wow, okay. Maybe I needed to steam mine for even longer than 30 minutes. Okay, a little tip guys, cut them very thin so you don't have to steam them for as long. It's the thick slices that I'm having trouble with. I'm just gonna blend it. I feel like I'm making baby puree food all over again. Now I'm gonna add in some cornstarch. Give it a good mix. Wow, okay. I think we need more cornstarch. I think it's starting to look like his. Now I'm gonna make little balls. Feels so weird. I hope I'm doing this right. I feel like it's a little bit sticky, but it's forming into balls okay. So I'm just gonna cross my fingers and hope for the best. I'm gonna pop some balls in.
It's getting stuck together.
Oh no.
Oh no.
They're sticking. Separate you. They're just so attracted to each other that they can't resist. They're darkening. You can see the ones that we just put in later.
Yes.
Say hello. Hi. Pika. Boo. Wow, you're so good at that. How come they don't look as like silky smooth as his one?
Yeah, ours look
Ours look
lumpy
a little bit
as.
furry. Not gonna lie, ours does not look appetizing whatsoever. But let's just make the sauce. 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. How much sugar? 3 teaspoons sugar and 3 teaspoons of black vinegar. And then 5 teaspoons of water. I'm heating up some oil now and then I'm gonna add this concoction into that and make a sauce, make it bubble. Oh, she's sizzling, she's bubbling. Add in our sad carrot balls.
Wow.
I mean, the sauce is making it look better, like it's shinier. Somehow that sauce made it look a little bit more glazed. It's a lot smoother, our balls. Alfred's like, what the hell did we make? I'm gonna get a small one because I don't really know if I want to commit to
I want the
this.
tiniest one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, balls.
Then you have the tiniest one.
I'm scared.
Oh,
Tastes like a boba.
it's actually not bad. I was expecting it to taste a lot weirder and the texture to be a little bit, I don't know, not like this. That's what I mean. It's like a rice cake, but a carrot cake. I'm actually pleasantly surprised.
Same.
Same as carrot because I don't taste any carrot at all.
Actually, Alfred has a point. Does not even taste like carrot whatsoever. It just tastes like flour, to be honest, with a sweet and sour sauce on top. That is playing beautiful background music.
Sound effects.
I don't mind it.
But I feel like it's a lot of hard work to put into bowls. Like,
At the end of the day, had I known it would taste like this, I would have just used flour. Don't even worry about the carrots, to be honest. Everyone, 1, 2, 3. This is our ranking. Alf likes it the best, but he complained the most. I'm doing half a thumb and then Zen's doing side
Side.
thumb. It's not gonna impress anyone, let's just say. Didn't really impress us, but it's edible. The sauce is nice. If you need more vegetables in your life, then you need to try these dumplings.
These days, I'm always trying to get more veggies in, so let me show you how to make these simple but delicious veggie dumplings. Start by finely chopping shiitake mushrooms and grating carrot into thin strips. Next, chop onion and apple cabbage and set those aside. Then over medium-high heat, saute garlic, ginger, and onion for a few seconds until fragrant, then add in your mushrooms, carrot, and cabbage. Add salt to season and also draw out moisture, then stir fry for 4 to 5 minutes to cook them down and set them in a bowl to cool. Next, chop Chinese chives or scallions, then season with additional salt to taste along with sugar, white pepper, Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, MSG, sesame oil, and give it a good mix. Then take a half teaspoon of filling into your dumpling wrapper and wet the edges with water. Fold up your dumpling into a half circle, then use your thumbs to pleat down both sides and seal your dumpling. Pan fry, steam, or boil.
I'm so prepared because I've prepped all my ingredients. We've got shiitake mushrooms, grated carrot, cabbage. Oh, so bright. Oh, a moment for my onions, please. And I have garlic and ginger. So what I'm gonna do is actually cook these ingredients first in my wok. Uncle Roger would be pleased. Today's weapon of choice. I'm really scared of my wok, actually. Alfred usually does this. I need my broccoli glove. Very fitting vegetarian recipes. In goes garlic, in goes ginger. That smells good already. Onions. I'm gonna put my hood on because it is very fragrant. Then I'm going to season with salt so it can draw out the water content. Man, this is a workout. Eating more vegetables and I'm working out. New Year's resolution. Tick! My arm's tired. Do you want to take that with me? Should I massage you whilst you do it?
I think that helps.
Okay. Oh wow, look how much liquid came out. I've got a huge bowl. I'm gonna transfer it into a bowl now. In goes my chopped up chives. It's raining chives. It tastes so good, but your breath, oh, afterwards, that lingering chive breath. Now I need to season it as well. Salt. We're doing fancy salt. White pepper. I don't know. I don't even know if this is Shaoxing wine, actually. It just says cooking michu. As always, I'm measuring with my heart, guys. Sugar. Everything with MSG tastes so good, though. Can't deny that. Oh, is that too much? Sesame oil. Technically, I can taste this, right? Because it's all cooked. Okay, taste test. It's good. I'm happy with my seasoning now, so let's get wrapping. I bought pre-made dumpling skin. If you want to go above and beyond, by all means, make your own dumpling skin. I just don't have time for that. Do you guys know how to wrap dumplings? Shall I show you how I wrap them? Quick tutorial. Put the filling in the middle, pop some water on the edge, close the dumpling up, and then you're gonna kind of like pleat and fold one of these sides. And then go back on this side. I'm not great at explaining, guys. Just watch my fingers. You want to make sure it's all sealed, otherwise the filling will ooze out. Okay, so I like to wrap them like this if I'm going to pan fry them, which I am because they have this like nice bottom that you can place it on the pan. And now I just need to repeat that 100 more times. Oh no, my dumpling's oozing. I just realized that our mixture has let out a lot more liquid now. Okay, so I'm gonna try to just pick up the dry bits for now. This is a lot of effort. I actually don't mind wrapping dumplings if I have help. Hinting. Zen. I don't know why, Zen, but I feel like you'd be good at this. Yeah, because you lived in China and your dad's a chef. I don't know, do you reckon that's enough to make me assume?
In my blood.
It's in your blood.
To be able to wrap dumplings.
Yeah, you were like born knowing how to do this. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Look at that. Dang. Check out Zen's dumpling. Totally approved. Look at that. Nice. Oh my god, I think I'm getting better at this, guys. You have to be at least like 4 or 5 dumplings in to get a good feel of it, you know? And then you just get into the zone. Wow, this is an ugly one. 4 dumplings in it gets good, and then after like 10, it gets real bad. I'm just gonna oil my pan first. And then I'm gonna place my little dumpling pouches on. I'm gonna let these fry for a couple of minutes until the bottom's brown, and then what I'll do is I'll pop a little bit of water, close the lid, and let them steam to cook. This is the scary part of when you do the dumplings. When you put in the water and it sizzles, and then because there's oil it can splash, so you need to have a shield, aka the lid. I told you it was scary. Step away from the pan. That's popping. The sizzling sound has gone down. Now I'm going to lift the lid and just check if there's still any water left. There's still a little bit of water. But now I'm just going to wait for the water to evaporate, and then I'll take the dumplings out. I'm getting hungry. Hungry.
Hungry.
I'm getting hungry.
I'm getting hungry.
We've got our dumplings. Grab it, dumplings. Shall we just show off our dumplings, guys? Beauty bloggers turned TikTok chefs. And then there's Alfred. What are you doing, Alfred? What is that? You have to put the dumpling in the middle of your palm,
yeah,
so you can see. You're definitely not a beauty blogger.
I'm excited.
I'm so excited.
Even more filling.
The thing is, with this vegetable dumpling, it's not like jam-packed. I think I should have just like gotten gloves and just like squeezed it and then wrapped it, because there's little air pockets in it that kind of make it feel a little bit empty. But the taste is there, the taste is good. So now I know with the next batch that I'm wrapping, I'm going to wring out the liquid and then wrap, so that everything's more like together. But it's good, it's good. Would it be the best dumpling I've ever eaten? No, because I'm just like a meat. Are you right, Alfred?
Spice went up my nose.
Is it the best dumpling I've ever eaten? Are you okay? What's happening behind me? Are you guys like doing, what's happening? Well, that was chaos. Not the best dumpling I've ever eaten, but pretty tasty considering it's packed with veggies. Maybe Lila could eat this? I think she'll eat this. Good for kids if you want to. If you want to just sneeze your way out of the frame. Good for kids if you want to increase their veggie intake. Let's all rate the dumpling recipe. We're going to give it a 1 thumb. It's good. It's not the best, but it's good. It's a new year. We need a new thumb routine.
Bad ideas.
We've never had good ideas, let's be honest. Shall we up it this year? Like do a little bit of a like choreographed. Guys, don't forget to thumb this video.
Every time I do this, Christopher dies.
What do you mean? It's amazing. It's amazing. Aren't you guys glad we're back for 2024?
Lila's back too.
Lila, come. Do you want to do thumb? Don't forget to thumb this video.
Lila, look here.
Don't forget to thumb this video. If you guys want to check out more TikTok recipes, click on the video on screen, and these 3 stooges will speak to you guys next time. Bye. 4 stooges. Actually, she's not a stooge.
She's the brightest of us all.
She's the smartest one here.